Soft triggers in exacqVision client. Soft triggers in the exacqVision client give you the power to activate pre-configured actions such as sounding an alarm, turning on a light, or locking a door when suspicious activity is detected by security operators. Whether you're managing security or streamlining workflows, understanding how to use soft triggers can make your system more effective and efficient. Let's break it down so you can use them like a pro. To create a shortcut for a soft trigger, navigate to the Client node. Click the Event Buttons tab and select the new button. Enter a description for the soft trigger in the Tooltip field. You can click the Change Icon button and upload a default or custom icon. You can also select a shortcut key if required. The next step is to create a button style. Sustained asserts the command once or creates a latching effect when applicable. Momentary asserts a brief on effect for as long as you click the icon. From the list, select a soft trigger and click Apply. To configure soft triggers for events, navigate to the Event Linking node. Click the New button. From the Event Type section, select the Soft Trigger option. From the Event Source section, select the required soft trigger. Select the required option from the action type and configure any additional settings. Once you are happy with your configuration, select the Apply button. To open the Soft Triggers window, in the Live window, click the Soft Trigger icon from the toolbar. From this window, you can activate or deactivate soft triggers for events such as triggering a camera, sending an alert, or activating a device that you create in the Event Linking window. To activate a soft trigger, select the Soft Triggers checkbox. An alarm status indicates that the soft trigger is active. To deactivate a soft trigger, clear the Soft Triggers checkbox. A status of normal indicates that the soft trigger is not active. You can also configure soft triggers to switch video views from the Event Monitoring node. Click the New button. Enter a name for the profile and configure any additional settings as required. From the Event Type section, select the Soft Trigger option. From the Event Source section, select the required soft trigger. Select the required option from the action type. For this example, we're going to switch the video to a different camera view. Configure any additional settings as required. Once you are happy with your configuration, select the Apply button. And that's it. Using soft triggers in the exacqVision client is an easy way to improve system responsiveness and efficiency. With your custom triggers in place, you'll have full control at your fingertips. Try it out and take your security management to the next level. Thanks for watching.